Here in Hong Kong, we're faced with a lot of environmental issues.
How can we reduce food waste in schools?
How can we keep plastic out of the ocean?
How do we raise awareness about renewable energy in Hong Kong?
How do we deal with pollution?
The answers are out there.
We need leaders
Like me.
Like me.
Like me.
Like me.
like me.
To step up and make a difference.
I'm excited to go to my school and hopefully make a difference in my own community.
Today, I'm in this camp to be a person who can affect everyone to make a change.